Hi guys, it's me Molly, and today I am going to do the squishy animal tag thing. I took all my food items out, and I can't do this by myself. I wonder who's going to do it. I have no idea, no idea.
Hey, it's Lindee here.
Okay, so do you want to do the squishy thing with me?
Of course.
Okay, so when I pull out an animal, she will have to make the noises and act like this and pretend. So this is a bear, so she would have to act like the bear. Let's get on with the video. The first one shall be a bear. So this is the squish. Die, bear! So this was the Rilakkuma bear toast. Here comes the next one. A minion cake roll.
Banana, 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 banana.
Millie the whale. Another Rilakkuma bear. The tiger bun. Another bear Rilakkuma. We have 7 left to go. Another little tiger. These are the stretchy ones. Next animal, apparently, because who wants to do with that? A chicken, a little chicken. Can I have your eggs? How rude. A panda! I'm going to eat you now. A blue piggy! I shall kill you for your bacon. A little bunny rabbit! I will eat you soon. A little lamb! Okay, bye. Last one. A little ugly duckling. Go fly somewhere else. Okay, so that was the end of our squishy animal video. What was your favorite animal to act out?
Probably the duck.
Maybe some other time I'll do another squishy video. Make sure you subscribe to Lindee Reeder and click that little red box down below. It's free to subscribe, so go ahead and click that. Hurry, I'm watching you. Click it, click it, click it. And also click that big thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoy all of my videos and have a great rest of the day. Love you. Mwah.